Introducing the next generation of Claranet cloud services. As IT departments come under increasing pressure to do more with fewer resources, cloud computing is becoming a highly attractive proposition. It offers the promise of both an immediate return on investment and longer-term strategic benefits. The business case for cloud is a strong one. Cloud can deliver significant operational efficiencies, minimizing over-provisioning and reducing energy consumption. Enhanced organizational agility with on-demand compute resource, flexing and scaling directly in line with your business need. Increased cost control. More transparent budgets based on a pay-for-what-you-need model with the additional benefit of moving CapEx to OpEx. And improved operational resiliency. Over the longer term, moving to cloud increases every organization's ability to focus on their core business objectives with simple IT services better and more cost-effectively delivered by a specialist. Claranet's new cloud service, the Virtual Data Center, combines resource pooling, rapid elasticity, metered usage, and broad network access. Designed and built with network integration, security and resiliency, corporate governance, and ease of migration in mind, it represents the next generation of cloud services. Claranet's Virtual Data Center service can be delivered in one of two ways: as an on-demand, self-managed service delivering IT and network infrastructure as a service through a cloud portal, or it can be incorporated as an element of a more complex and bespoke managed cloud solution involving platform and application management. As a Claranet Virtual Data Center user, you can unilaterally provision computing capabilities such as server or network capacity when you need it. There is no mandatory committed spend or resource utilization. Claranet manages the delivery and availability of all resources, network, storage and compute on the platform. And we guarantee the availability of these resources through our industry-leading end-to-end service level agreement. How does it work? Claranet's Virtual Data Center service is managed through the cloud portal. It approaches cloud management through a high-level top-down hierarchy that best represents the applications on your cloud. A customer account is known as an enterprise, and cloud resources are allocated to it, which means that your account can be made up of one or many virtual data centers. A virtual data center is a pool of compute resource available on either a dedicated or shared environment across Europe. As a user, you can create appliances to distribute resources, including storage, processing, memory, network bandwidth, and virtual machines. An appliance is a logical container within a virtual data center for a group of virtual servers and designed to ease the management of multiple IT applications on one cloud. For example, if your email service was built across 4 virtual servers, all providing a single service, you could group those servers into a single appliance called email. You could then control the capacity and location of that appliance. If you then wanted to redeploy a second copy of that appliance for testing or development, you could simply replicate it, keeping all of the original data, configuration and capacity intact. You can take a snapshot of your servers before you install an update or security patch. After naming that update with a logical title, you can later redeploy it from any of the saved snapshots or within the portal. If you take a number of snapshots of a server, you only pay for the storage used to store the snapshots and the compute capacity of the live servers. What makes Claranet's Virtual Data Center service different is that it addresses directly IT concerns about network integration, security and resiliency, corporate governance, and ease of migration. It answers the key questions. Is the cloud robust and reliable? Claranet uses enterprise-grade infrastructure for its cloud and configures these into redundant clusters that carry spare capacity. Should a physical server fail, these virtual servers and their applications will automatically be brought back online. Which country will my data be hosted in? Our always-in-country principle means you can be sure that whichever countries you decide to deploy onto, the local legislation is followed, and your data will not leave the country without prior written permission. Will my policies and procedures be adhered to? Using the Cloud Portal, you can manage and control a repository of server templates, which can be replicated quickly and easily for different requirements. This ensures consistency across your infrastructure, which means that you can ensure adherence to your governance and IT policies and procedures. Can I connect the cloud to my private network? Where many providers rely on insecure and often unreliable public connectivity, Claranet's cloud services provide reliable private network integration. This means that the service can be accessed as an extension of your internal IT environment, and not simply a group of servers in a different network. Will I be locked into Claranet's cloud? Claranet's cloud services have been designed with easy migration in mind. You can migrate the platform or location whenever you want, no matter which hypervisor and cloud platform you may currently use. So, Claranet's new cloud service, Claranet Virtual Data Center, offers you an entirely new way of managing your infrastructure. In addition to all the benefits it delivers, it gives you real control over your IT infrastructure and assets. Find out more, visit our website at www.claranet.co.uk. Email business@claranet.co.uk. Telephone 0845 355 2000.